All right, let's take a look at some special effects and other editing tools that you might find useful while working in WeVideo. To expand your timeline, hover over this line and go ahead and drag up. Now we are going to look at adding an extra layer, green screen, splitting, and scaling the size of an object. So we're going to add an extra track, a video track. I can move these tracks up and down by clicking on these three dots. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my text because I want that to be first. So currently what's going to happen is when I play this video, we don't see the space. Okay, so we need to get rid of the green background on video track 1. So click on that piece of track and click edit. You're going to use your keying tool to get rid of the color. So use your dropper to drag over to the image and click on the color you want to get rid of. So now we can see the background below it. I also want to make this person a little bit smaller, so I can click on transform and I can grab these corners and make him a little bit smaller and even move him further down. So now my track is going to look a little something like this. I want to move my text to be up here where he's pointing. So I'm going to click on my text, go to edit. I can change the font and I can transform it, which is going to allow me to make it bigger, smaller, or in this case, move its location. Now, I want all of these things to be the same length, so I'm going to drag over my timeline bar here, click on the video track 1, click split, click on my space background and click split, and scroll all the way down to where I have my audio and click split. I will then use my backspace button to get rid of all of this additional footage. I now have a clip that is only going to be about 5 seconds long. And that is how you can use different editing tools to change what your video looks like.